Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on an exciting journey through the design process of Marvel, one of the most iconic brands in the world. From concept to creation, let's break down the steps in simple terms so you can understand how these amazing structures come to life. First, it all starts with an idea. Whether it's a new superhero headquarters or a futuristic cityscape, the initial concept is where creativity flows freely. Designers brainstorm and sketch out their visions, exploring various possibilities and styles. This is the time for wild imagination and thinking outside the box. Next up is the research phase. This is where designers dive deep into understanding the project's requirements, the environment, and the target audience. They gather all the necessary data and insights to make informed decisions. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to form a complete picture. Once the research is done, it's time to move on to the design development. Here, the rough sketches are turned into detailed drawings and 3D models. This step involves a lot of collaboration with engineers, architects, and other experts to ensure the design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. After the designs are finalized, it's time for prototyping and testing. Small-scale models or digital simulations are created to test the feasibility of the design. This step is crucial for identifying any potential issues and making necessary adjustments. Think of it as a dress rehearsal before the big performance. Finally, we reach the construction phase. This is where the design comes to life. Builders, contractors, and craftsmen work together to turn the blueprints into reality. It's a meticulous process that requires precision and attention to detail. And there you have it. From concept to creation, that's the design journey of Marvel. Each step is essential in bringing these incredible structures to life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this breakdown informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.